Dawn of ingenuity, the first tools. Imagine our early ancestors millions of years ago. They looked up at the stars just like we do now, but their world was different. They faced challenges with only their bare hands. Then, something incredible happened. They discovered tools. The first tools were simple. They were stones, chipped and sharpened. But these stone tools were revolutionary. They helped our ancestors cut, scrape, and hunt. These tools were the first whispers of human ingenuity. They marked the beginning of our journey of innovation. With these tools, our ancestors could access more food. They could defend themselves better. This innovation, as simple as it seems, changed everything. It was a giant leap forward. It set the stage for all the inventions that followed. This is the power of innovation. It takes us beyond our limits. It allows us to reshape our world, and it all began with a simple stone tool. Taming the flame fire and its impact. Imagine a world without fire, a world of darkness and cold, a world where food was eaten raw. This was the reality for early humans. Then they discovered fire. Fire was a game changer. It brought warmth and light. It scared away predators. It allowed our ancestors to cook food, making it safer and easier to digest. This single innovation transformed human life. Fire also brought people together. It created a natural gathering place. Around the fire, stories were shared. Bonds were formed. This social interaction fueled even more innovation. The control of fire is a testament to human ingenuity. It shows our unique ability to harness the power of nature. This ability has driven our progress for millennia. It continues to shape our world today. Adapting to survive, clothing, shelter, and migration. Early humans were nomads. They moved from place to place in search of food and shelter. This nomadic lifestyle led to new challenges, and humans, being the adaptable species they are, rose to meet them. As they ventured into colder climates, humans needed protection from the elements. They learned to use animal skins for clothing. This provided insulation and warmth. They built shelters from wood, bones, and animal hides. These structures offered protection from the elements and predators. Migration also led to the exchange of ideas and knowledge. As different groups of humans encountered each other, they shared their innovations. This exchange accelerated human progress. It allowed for the spread of new technologies and ways of life. The story of early humans is one of adaptation and resilience. Their ability to adapt to new environments and challenges is a fundamental part of our success as a species. The hunter's edge, refining tools for sustenance. For early humans, survival depended on their ability to hunt. Over time, they developed increasingly sophisticated tools and techniques for hunting. Spears, with their sharpened points, extended the reach of hunters. Fishhooks, crafted from bone, allowed them to exploit the bounty of rivers and lakes. Then came the bow and arrow, a revolutionary invention that transformed hunting. The bow and arrow provided hunters with a ranged weapon. They could now target prey from a distance, increasing their chances of success. This innovation led to a more reliable food supply and contributed to the growth of human populations. These advancements in hunting technology highlight a key aspect of human innovation: the constant drive to improve and refine existing tools. This drive continues to this day, pushing us to develop ever more sophisticated technologies. Section 5. Preserving knowledge, the birth of writing. Imagine a world without written language, a world where stories were only spoken, a world where knowledge was passed down orally from generation to generation. This was the reality for most of human history. Then came the invention of writing. The earliest forms of writing emerged from simple markings on cave walls. Over time, these markings evolved into more complex systems of symbols representing sounds and ideas. This development, the birth of written language, was a monumental achievement. Writing allowed humans to record their thoughts, ideas, and stories. It created a permanent record of human knowledge. This meant that knowledge could be shared more widely and accurately across both time and space. This innovation was crucial for the development of civilizations. It allowed for the accumulation and transmission of knowledge. It paved the way for the development of law, governance, and complex societies. Section 6. A revolution in motion, the wheel and transportation. The invention of the wheel around 3500 BC marked a turning point in human history. It revolutionized transportation and transformed the way we live and interact with the world. The wheel, a seemingly simple invention, allowed for the movement of goods and people with greater ease and efficiency. This led to the development of carts, chariots and wagons, revolutionizing trade, warfare and travel. The impact of the wheel extended far beyond transportation. It influenced the design of cities and infrastructure. It spurred the development of new technologies such as roads and bridges. The wheel stands as a testament to the power of simple yet elegant solutions. It is a reminder that even the most profound innovations can stem from basic principles. Section 7. Shaping Civilization, Metalworking and its Significance. The discovery and mastery of metalworking was a defining moment in human history. It marked the transition from the Stone Age to the Bronze Age and later the Iron Age. Each transition brought about profound changes in human society. The first metals to be worked were copper and gold. These metals, found in their native forms, were relatively soft and easy to shape. The discovery of smelting, the process of extracting metal from ore, was a major breakthrough. It allowed for the creation of harder and more durable metals such as bronze, an alloy of copper and tin. Metal tools were more efficient and durable than their stone predecessors. They revolutionized agriculture, warfare and construction. Metal weapons provided a significant advantage in conflicts. Metal tools allowed for the cultivation of larger fields, leading to increased food production and population growth. Section 8. Connecting the world. Communication and its evolution. From the earliest forms of communication, such as smoke signals and drum beats, to the invention of the printing press and the telegraph, humans have constantly sought new ways to connect with each other. Each innovation in communication has brought about significant changes in society. The printing press, invented in the 15th century, allowed for the mass production of books. This innovation revolutionized the spread of information and ideas, contributing to the Renaissance and the scientific revolution. The invention of the telegraph in the 19th century enabled near instantaneous communication across vast distances. This innovation transformed business, politics, and warfare. It laid the groundwork for the development of later communication technologies, such as the telephone and the internet. Section 9. The future unfolds, modern marvels and beyond. The 20th and 21st centuries have witnessed an unprecedented acceleration of technological innovation. From the development of electricity and the internal combustion engine to the rise of computers, the internet and artificial intelligence, the pace of change has been staggering. Electricity transformed our world, powering our homes, businesses and industries. The internal combustion engine gave rise to the automobile, revolutionizing transportation and shaping urban landscapes. Computers, once behemoth machines confined to research labs, have become ubiquitous, impacting every aspect of our lives. The internet has connected the world in ways unimaginable just decades ago, enabling global communication and collaboration. Artificial intelligence, still in its infancy, holds the potential to revolutionize countless industries and aspects of human life. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: the journey of human innovation is far from over. Driven by our innate curiosity and our relentless pursuit of progress, we will continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, shaping the world around us and reaching for the stars.